Hey there, crafty friends, and welcome back to another episode of Scraps and Forgotten here on Seguras Crafts. Let's get crafty. So this card panel became a scrap because I was learning how to use it, and ultimately I used it wrong, right? And so I ended up putting it to the side, but it was still cute, and I really wanted to use it still. So it has made it to our Scraps and Forgotten episode. Okay, so I also had a background that I had created using some distress oxides and some splatters. So I utilized my smile cutting die to cut out smile from that background. So I feel like the word smile, it's big, right? It's a big all capital smile. So a big smile, and why not make a big smile even bigger by adding some foam tape? So I did place some foam strips behind the letters to the best of my ability. Then I saw how that looked, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna use it. So I decided to go ahead and utilize the strip as like a border for the bottom of Smile, but I wanted to also kind of incorporate more of those flowers. So I utilized the Cup of Sunshine cutting dies from Brutus Monroe, and I had a bunch of cut out dies already because I've been wanting to play with them for a while. And so I just grabbed them and I built my scene, just making sure that I had that floral border at the bottom to really brighten up that smile. I think one of the funnest things about creating a bouquet when you're creating cards is that you can cut it and start over. I have a cousin who does bouquets, and she makes amazing floral arrangements. And I look at her and I was like, you have to do all that? So, and here it is, I deal with paper floral pieces, and I'm like, cut it off, restart over. So I give a lot of props to those that does floral arrangements. But let's get to the card. So I took one of my corner punchers and I rounded the corners of my panel. And then I decided I needed to cut it down. I wanted it to have a little bit more of a peak of the corners to really bring out that round look. And so I trimmed it down, I think about a 1/4 inch, and then I matted it onto some black cardstock with some foam tape. And it was very thin foam tape because we have so much pop-up pieces on our card that I did not want to overdo it. I then decided to go ahead and glue my card panel to my card base, and I could not let this go without adding a little bit of sparkles. So I used crystals from Brutus Monroe, and I just placed it on the blue floral background pieces to kind of just bring it up alive. And I'm not sure if I told you guys, but the stencil I used is called the Revival Mixed Media Stencil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's really quick. I hope that you did enjoy this tutorial, and I cannot wait to see what we come up with next. Don't forget, you're beautiful, you matter, and your life is the art of this world. Until next time, bye.